MLToys here with our Jeep Wrangler steering upgrade kit. This kit is used on all of the older Jeep Wrangler models. Somewhere around 2010, Power Wheels went to a newer style module that does not fit any vehicle produced from the 1980s up to 2010. We have this solution for you that we actually want you to use it, not just because it's the only replacement, but we actually designed it to be a better replacement. Your original one came with a metal bar that was riveted to the white nylon ends. The metal bars never wear out, so we didn't want to waste your shipping dollars and time selling you a metal bar that made a much bigger box to ship. So these new ends will bolt on. You'll just cut the original nylon ones off of your bar. We're using actual solid stainless steel screws and bolts here because we know you're going to keep this vehicle for 20 more years and want the bolts to last forever and not start rusting, which is going to create problems down the road for you because they need to hinge. The steering knuckles that we've designed are much, much stronger than the original ones. Your original ones, you're probably seeing white stress marks in and a lot of bowing to the tires. This is going to eliminate all of that and should never create a problem again. This is a very easy install to do on your car. Get it back running and get it back running better than it was before. Another innovation from MLToys.